JROTC is the Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps.
It's a character building program that allows students to learn new things and build off of themselves.
It's huge. I never thought I would actually be interested in anything like it.
We try to give kids the skills that they need to be able to think outside the box, solve problems.
It gives them tools to be successful in life once they graduate and go into bigger and better things.
JROTC stands alone like very, very unique in and of the fact that we have so many programs inside of JROTC too.
We're here in Dallas, Texas for the VEX Robotics JROTC National Championships to celebrate the achievements of these cadets and the amount of hard work they've done to bring them all together to compete.
It's pretty interesting. I grew up doing some robotics when I was in high school, but this is a lot cooler because you've got people from all over the world.
Honestamente, nunca me imaginé estar aquí y te abre puertas a muchas oportunidades que, en mi opinión, no deberías de dejarlas pasar.
The STEM initiative within JROTC is really important to give the students a hands-on approach to learning new skills. And that's what the VEX Robotics competition does. These cadets that may have classroom experience and obviously military experience, they haven't really built stuff. The VEX Robotics program allows them to construct a robot, program a robot, and now they're better prepared for the technology jobs that all JROTC programs need.
I was not planning on doing robotics. I was like, I'm not gonna like it. I don't like science. And then our battalion commander for that year kept bugging me. He's like, Molly, you gotta do it, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. And I ended up absolutely loving it.
So this is my 4th year with VEX and my 3rd year with V5. I've always been into STEM, and I knew that being in something like robotics would also help me for scholarships when I eventually went to college. So I joined the team, and then I fell in love, and I've been doing it ever since.
They're just eager. They eat this up because they see there's a future.
I love doing labs and being physically engaged with science. I'm in engineering classes now, and I think it might be what I want to do.
It has given me a lot to think about, opened up a lot of opportunities for me. I have not thought about my future up until I joined robotics. I'm definitely going to be going into more STEM-related fields. I'm going to be going into getting my engineering degree.
Robotics is actually coming up pretty big for the Navy. We just started a new job called a robotics technician. So it actually translates directly for us. Having something like this where kids are already getting experience with it, it's good to kind of prepare them career-wise.
Leadership and technical skills work hand in hand with the mission of making young leaders better citizens. It's all about developing the whole person. We're always working to improve, and robotics is a great way to do that.
As many JROTC commanders tell me, the robot is just the tool to teach these students the life skills that they're going to need, both in their military careers and outside their military careers.
This is awesome because it gives them the opportunity not just to do robotics itself, but actually meet people, build relationships.
They're learning different cultures, and there's a language barrier sometimes. However, with the games, they're able to kind of communicate through those.
That's really good in the job world or even in the military world because we do cooperative efforts with other countries. So it's good to get experiences with people from other cultures and learn how to communicate effectively with people from different backgrounds.
Some kids come in with the program that they're shy, and then they come out learning leadership and other team building abilities.
My first year, I had no idea what I was doing, but now I have like some of my closest friends. I've grown so much and learned so much.
This is the best thing that JROTC I think could have ever done was doing robotics.
Regardless of whether you are a technical person or not, go for it. It is invaluable, and it does not matter whether that young person goes on to be an engineer or not. What matters is we are providing opportunities.
If you have even a minor interest, just do it. You can notebook, you can build, you can drive a robot, you can program the robot. There's so many different pieces, and I'm sure anyone could find something that they enjoy there.